Welcome back to my After Effects tutorial. Today I'll be showing you this. We're going to create something like this. Like this. Okay guys, let's jump into After Effects. Now on After Effects, click New Composition. Name the composition whatever you like. I was just gonna call this man. Then click OK. You can change the color also and then the time. I just want this to be in 15 seconds, or I can say 10 seconds. Then click OK, and then now it's fine. Then right click on timeline, new solid layer, name the solid layer SBG, then change the color also if you like. Then double click here on the shape tool, which is rectangle, or you can use a circle. Then mask, mark it as invaded, then open the mask layer, then change the mask feeder value to 700. Then click OK. Now it's time to import our logo into the project window. Drag and import a logo. Then now it's fine. Then drag and drop it on top of the PG layer on the timeline. Then let's resize this logo, or you can press S on your scale for scale. Then I think right now it's fine. Then let's pre-compose. Right click, pre-compose. Make sure you move all attributes into the new composition and click OK. Then Command D to duplicate this layer. Let's hide the bottom layer. Then it's time to search for CC ball action on effects and presets. CC ball action, then drag the CC ball action into the top layer. Then move the keyframe, the timeline into 2 seconds. Then set a keyframe for scatter and set a keyframe for rotation. Then change the rotation into Z axis. Then move it to the beginning. Then change the scatter value to 500. Just enter. Change the rotation to -2 or -3. I'll leave it on -3. Then let's preview. Okay, cool. This is how it looks for now. Okay, I think it's fine for me. Then right here, let's unhide the bottom layer, then hide the top layer. Then split this into, split the top layer into 2 seconds. Split into 2 seconds. Then now it's time for second layer. Okay, it's time to search for CC lens effect. CC lens effect. CC lens effects. Then drop it and drag it into the bottom layer. Now it's time to set a keyframe for size. Insert it here on 2 seconds. Let's set it to 0. Keyframe 0. Then move it a little bit, maybe into 2-3 seconds. Then set a keyframe to 200. Change the size 200. Now it's time to preview. We need to unhide the top layer. Then let's preview and see. This is how it looks. It's looked right for me. Yes, that's it guys. Or you can change the keyframe for lens and no, it's fine. It's right here. Then select all keyframes, right click, easy ease. All of the keyframes, even the top layer, select all and right click is ease, or you can press F9 on your keyboard. Yes, I think right here it's fine. I think our logo should take 4 minutes. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Let's go to composition settings. Let's change it to 2 seconds. 4 seconds. Click OK. Now with 4 seconds, let's preview again. Let's preview one more time. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you comment. Any question you want about After Effects tutorial or any Adobe tutorials, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.